Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2009 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to show you where the fuse box locations are real quick. This goes for multiple years. Impreza. The first one is located under the hood on the driver's side. And you have these little clips here under this lid. And you just basically push them in. Or push them in. Sometimes it's tough to do. This one already pre-loosened. And there's your power center under the hood. And under the lid, there's a template that shows you what the fuses are for. You can also refer to the owner's manual for that. That's real easy to access. And the secondary fuse box is located on the driver's side. And this one's real easy. It's right in this little compartment here. It looks like a change compartment drawer, but we're going to pop that. And there's the fuses in there. And the OBD2 computer hookup right here. Right under the steering wheel, under the dash. Hard to see, but it's right directly under the steering wheel. We've got a little lighting issue here, but you got the idea. Joe Beermaster.